Hi, my name is Matin, a PhD student in the design lab at UC San Diego. In this paper, we reflect on our experience of running remote design thinking workshops in radiation oncology. Our team works at the intersection of design and healthcare and aims to redesign healthcare training. Specifically, we work in the domain of contouring education. Contouring is the practice of outlining cancer and normal tissues on medical images. To redesign contouring education, our team decided to run design thinking workshops with radiation oncology faculty and residents. These workshops aim to guide stakeholders to collaboratively design in a fast-paced template. It empowers participants to gain empathy, define needs, generate ideas, prototype solutions, and receive feedback on their solutions. Many steps of the Skyline require active collaboration among set pairs of participants, such as discussing problems, sketching solutions, and building prototypes. Prior interpretations of design thinking workshops were conducted in person because co-location can make facilitating these interactions easier. However, the COVID pandemic in 2020 prompted our team to conduct these workshops remotely. Here I represent the three lessons that we learned from conducting two remote design thinking workshops. First, we recommend future remote workshop organizers to plan ahead for participation inconsistencies. It can be helpful to design a flexible schedule and incorporate asynchronicity. Participants faced unexpected personal and technological challenges during the 2 hours of the workshops. For example, one participant in the first workshop needed to leave the session for 20 minutes. In the second workshop, a participant's microphone malfunctioned and hindered the pair's discussion. To mitigate the time delays introduced by these circumstances, we allocated more time to let the participants sync up. Ultimately, we ran out of time. To address these inconsistencies, we recommend adding white spaces between the steps of the workshops. Another solution can be to introduce more asynchronicity. The current structure of design thinking workshops revolve around same-time interactions with the same set of pairs. A future direction could be to decouple workshop steps and enable pairs to dynamically form according to their progress. Second, we suggest leaning towards familiar prototyping technologies. If less familiar softwares are needed, make sure to provide simple tutorials well before the workshops. In the first workshop, we used Lucidchart for the pair prototyping phase. Lucidchart offers robust diagramming tools and native collection of shapes and images. It also shares real-time cursor movement to enhance the collaborative feel of the process. However, one participant pair faced sign-up issues which delayed their prototyping. The other pair, who had already managed to sign up, struggled with the prototyping tools and spent a significant chunk of their time discovering how to use these features. Reflecting on our first workshop experience, we substituted Lucidchart with Google Slides. While Google Slides is a less sophisticated prototyping and collaborative tool, the interface familiarity provided a convenient start and enhanced collaboration. Third, choose a video conferencing tool that offers integrated group messaging for organizational communication. We used Zoom as the main video conferencing tool for the two workshops. One shortcoming of Zoom was the lack of group messaging functionality. As such, the research team used Slack to communicate organizational matters, such as allocating extra time to certain steps. The use of different tools delayed responses among the team and introduced additional burdens to keep track of multiple softwares. Due to the importance of organizational communication, especially in remote settings, we recommend future workshop organizers to integrate all communication channels. To find out more about our experience, please visit our paper. Thank you.